Hello and welcome to another episode of Trains Out, and today we're at Stevenage on the East Coast Main Line. So you'll be seeing services by Virgin Trains East Coast, Great Northern, First All Trains, Grand Central, and probably some freight. It really depends what comes through here. It is very rainy today, and those two platforms over there for King's, these two platforms are...
Is this royalty?
No, King's Cross, you know what I mean.
I know.
And then this one is for Cambridge, York, Leeds, etc, etc, etc.
I know.
So let's see what shall turn up. Here comes the arrival of the 1329.
Oh, my camera's just gone.
Virgin Trains East Coast High Speed Train to York. It calls at Peterborough, Grantham, Newark, Retford, Doncaster and York.
My camera just messed up. Now we're open as the 1329 says.
It's 43320. I think this was King's Cross's 1309 or something.
42354.
I don't know.
42091. 42215.
I don't think we'll be able to get the rear until the departure.
40748, and we're going to halt at coach L.
No, we're not. Yes, we are. No, we're not.
Yes, we are.
No, we're not. Okay, the 1329 Virgin Trains East Coast service to York is now getting ready to leave. 43320 is on the front.
It's a staff member.
Then yes, if there's any rain on my camera, I apologise. It's just it's not the best of days for filming.
Brake release. Rev it up.
There we go.
We start with Coach J.
It's a standard one, there's no name or anything. There's no name or anything, it's just 43320 and 43 something. I'm gonna hurt up here, see what it is. 43306 with 43320 to York. Calling at all stations, or all Virgin Trains East Coast stations. Cambridge Cruiser from King's Cross to Cambridge only.
Express.
You can tell because it doesn't say Cambridge via anywhere. It is 365, 520, 520 to Cambridge only. Just about to leave now, your 1336, Great Northern Service from Peterborough to London King's Cross. 317345, looking rather odd. It's got a nameplate. It is driver John Webb. And a white one, I haven't seen one of these yet. It's probably one of the old Greater Anglia ones. But it's 317345, driver John Webb to 343. I said 365, 54, damn it.
Oh wow.
I didn't mean to say that. It's a pair of 317s. Down there's 365, 515. Ready to leave on your 1341. Great Northern Service to London King's Cross. I'm not sure where that one's come from. East Coast Hust. East Coast Hust. It's 43305 and 43296. I'm going to come out in the rain to see a 1343. Great Northern Service to Cambridge. Calling at Letchworth Garden City. Hang on. It calls at... Yeah, I know it's a Great Northern Service for 4 coaches board, but I'd really like to know the calling points. Hitchin, Letchworth, Garden City, Baldock, Ashwell and Morden. It's 317344. Royston, hello 365 Lance. Meldreth, Shepworth, Foxton and Cambridge. Is it really a safety announcement? 317344 for London, King's Cross. No, for Cambridge, from King's Cross. Cambridge Flyer. 365539 to King's Cross only. VTEC heading to King's Cross. From Leeds. 82212. And 91105.
Stevenage is your...
Here's your 1347. Great Northern service to Hitchin, Olsey, Biggleswade, Sandy, St Neots, Huntingdon and Peterborough.
Oh, I think it's 510.
Could be 510, could be 519, could be 531.
Whatever that thing is.
It's a white angel
It's a white angel.
of some kind.
Whatever he says.
Well, if it is, then it's either 19, 10 or 31.
Oh, 365 10. 510.
Oh, it is 510.
Oh, it's only one off your favourite.
No, it's 19.
Oh, it's 19.
355519, white angel.
Peterborough train. Yay! It's the Peterborough train.
511's normally on Peterborough. Mind you, if you want to see it, you got to see it here. You might. We might see it here. If not, going to King's and coming back. 519 to Peterborough. Here comes a VTEC to Edinburgh. This guy announcer is getting on my nerves. He says things way too calmly.
Thank you very much.
91124. Whoa! Right. 82. I didn't get it. 82208. 91101 Flying Scotsman. Get in. Not sure what the other one was. The 82 on the Edinburgh. But that one was off to King's. Here's your 1351 313 service to Letchworth Garden City from Moorgate. I kid you not, Moorgate.
Quite wet conditions, but the weather has seemed clear.
Yes, and now it's not raining and I'm wearing my blooming coat.
It's not raining.
Mind you, I keep having to do that, but it's 313060. It's really not. 313060 to Moorgate. No, to Letchworth. The train that's being announced is the train right here, the 1355 service from King's Cross to Leeds.
Stevenage is your 1355 1 Delta 16 Virgin train service, East Coast service from London King's Cross to Leeds.
Leeds. Luds.
We got on the front.
LDS.
We've got 91. Looks like it's got a new number on it. 107 Skyfall train.
91107 on the front.
Old Skyfall.
Out of sync wipers.
82.
Along with 82 to
231. It's
31.
Fit in. Look at that. Just enough space.
Shed time. 66077. From Mount Sorrel. And as she continues on, I'm going to leave part 1 of Trains at Stevenage there. Thank you all very much for watching. It is greatly appreciated. If you have liked what you've seen here today, then please like and subscribe. My next station will of course be part 2 of this. We're just popping to McDonald's. But the final train of this part will be the 1400 from Letchworth to Moorgate. Didn't see what the bloomin' front was. It's 313052. And they've tried relivering that, I can't speak. But it's 313 of 63. And hopefully I'll see you in part 2 of Trains at Stevenage.